Alrighty, as requested, I been forced to take a little tour of this new signal that they put on 172nd Street right here, because I've been told by someone else that told me to tour this new signal right here. It's just a request from whatever that guy's name is. I forgot what his name was, but it's okay. Anyways, up top we got this crossing still has a Safetran Type 3 eval, low tone, 12 by 24 inch Dialight ball LEDs and Safetran frames. Here's a new dot tag. Still number 082956K. It has a Harmon base. SS US&S only 5 gate mechanism. Safetran junction box on the side. Here's the back view of the lights. Here's the here has newer striping with a 4-inch RECO gate lights, which I think they're most likely LED. And here's a back view of that new signal. Of course, I think the new southern signal is kind of pretty much the same as the old signal ever since the train crash happened. So yeah, that was pretty kind of sad how the old US&S signal got destroyed. Now here's the new US&S signal here on this train track, well, on this crossing. But yeah, I wish all BNSF crossings still have all GSE bells, but sadly they don't anymore, because this is all, well, actually all BNSF crossings on the North Star line here, not all of them have GSE bells, because that crossing has a non-GSE bell. Kind of strange. Anyway, this is mini update to 172nd Street.